How's it going, Power Stroke Nation? I can't do it. These are ridiculous. How's it going, Power Stroke Nation? My name is Austin, and welcome to the Power Stroke YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you notice an audio difference, we have a whole new setup, and I am having a hard time not staring at that mic. So today we're going to be doing something a little different, but I'll get to that here in a minute. Before we get started, I'm going to go get something to drink because I am dying of thirst. So we're going to load up here in the purple people eater, and we're going to go get something to drink so that way I can actually stay awake through the rest of this vlog. And we will get to today's video. So here's the new setup. We have a giant microphone, an aluminum case. So now there is no clear plastic over the lens, so the audio and video should both be a lot better now. I did a little test with this mic and it is actually super impressive. It's just hard not to look at because it is a giant fluffy thing on top of my camera. So this will be a lot better for the channel. We have now an awesome microphone, so there will be no wind noise anymore. And it should just be a lot better audio. It won't be muffled because I had it in the full waterproof case with the open back. So the audio just wasn't very good, and that was a very common complaint I got, was that my audio quality wasn't very great. So now that we have the new mic on, we should be awesome, and I'm going to take this opportunity to do a nice cold start at 50 degrees outside with a new mic, and hopefully the audio really picks up the truck sound because it sounds unreal. I mean, I've seen a couple of you guys in person, and you guys tell me the truck sounds even better in person than it did on the video. So here we go. I'm going to throw you guys behind the truck. Well, not really throw you. That'd be a bad choice with a brand new case. And we'll get the truck started, and we'll go get something to drink, come back, and we'll get started with today's video. Alright, you guys, now that we are back home, I can let you guys know the bad news. So, today's video will not be about the Power Stroke at all. I know, and I'm sorry, you guys, but that's why I wanted to go rip around and give you guys some footage as much as I could at the beginning of this video for the Power Stroke so you guys can get your fix and enjoy the rest of the video. And today's video subject will be none other than the white Tahoe. That is my fiance's rig. It's a 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe. It's got the 5.7 Vortex. It's running -44 offset Anthem Commanders in a 20x12. Wrapped in 35/13.5, so my fiance has wider tires than I do. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Right now I'm just going to I'm going to have to roll the Tahoe into the driveway, the transfer case fully detonated, and so there's nothing, I mean absolutely nothing we can do. We had to get it towed home from Beaverton. Today we're going to be replacing that transfer case. In fact, I just saw Cody up the road, so he will be pulling in behind me here in a minute. We're going to roll that into the driveway. He's going to come help me, so awesome, friend. Thank you so much, Cody, for coming to help me out. And let's get on with today's video. My fiance's rig is totally decked out. I mean, check this out. And she's got remote start. That major letdown is what that is. And I hope you guys don't think I hate the truck. I've been dogging on it a lot lately. It's just all out of good fun. I absolutely love the rig, and I do not hate it in any way. Like I said, just out of good fun. Might as well get a cold startup of the 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe. Wow, that was a lot worse than I ever remember it being. Holy cow. All right, you guys, in true Oregon fashion, it is, I mean, it's full on dumping rain right now. So we had to go to Napa to go grab a gasket, and this is what happened. I mean, here, you take a look on. Oh, Jesus. Well, I'm being lazy. Here's Cody.
Hey guys.
He's underneath here pulling out the transfer case. He's got the front drive line bungeed up, so it's up out of the way. The rear drive line has already been removed. And are all the connections undone already?
All the connections are undone. Both drive lines are undone. Now we just have the six bolts connecting transfer case to transmission. Get those out. Then we can get an accurate measurement on the gasket maker off the back of the transmission. That way we don't cut it too small or too big.
Yeah. That'll be fun. So there's your update. Well, I mean, he's the one under there right now, so we'll keep plugging on. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, you guys, the old transfer case is officially out of the Tahoe. It was a lot less intimidating than we thought before. So now we're going to grab the new one that's sitting in the garage nice and dry, as we are getting soaked and trying to stay dry in this great canopy. And we're going to fill it with fluid, throw it back in the truck, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, you guys, it is the moment of truth. Sorry about the dog barking. He's freaking out that I'm out here. It is the moment of truth. We're going to start the Tahoe. New transfer case is in, and as you saw, fluid has been added. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, you guys, it actually was not the transfer case, as you sadly heard. My guess was wrong. Whatever, these things happen, and all you can do is move on and go to the next part. So we're going to try to do a transmission, I assume. So it's just a whole nother thing. Before you know it, the whole Tahoe will be all new. It'll be all. But we'll get some good news on the channel, you guys. We have Cody's 2007 3. 2000, right? Yeah. Crew cab, long bed, a proper truck. He's got a lot of big plans. So is the motor that you're having built for this?
Motor I'm having built is for this. Hoping to have 650 to 700 out of it. Forged rods, forged pistons, and a lot more go fast parts.
That'll be awesome. So we got 7.3s on 7.3s, you guys. Absolutely.
Only way to go.
So thank you again.
You got it, boss.
Thank you so much.
Get it figured out.
Yeah, we'll get it figured out. It's just a rig. I know. I kind of know that life. Not quite though. Exactly. All right, man. See ya. Great guy, you guys. I mean, he comes over and he helps me anytime I have problems with the 7.3. I mean, when I first got it, you know, you need that teacher, you need that mentor, and he's been a diesel mechanic. He knows these 7.3s inside and out. So when I had that topside leak, I had no idea what it was. He told me it was that high pressure oil pump O-ring. I mean, he's awesome. I mean, great friend. He'll be on the channel more. I hope you guys really did enjoy that. So, I mean, small bummer about the whole transfer case not being the issue. I mean, what else do you do? I mean, you try, and if you fail, you try again. So, guys, and with that, we are going to end today's video. Sadly, you know, you can't really win them all. You know, I mean, it's something small, super easy. Transfer case wasn't the issue. The next step is the transmission. I was pretty sure it was a transfer case, but bad call on my part. And luckily, it was only about 200. It was like 250 for the transfer case, so I'm not too worried about it. But we will get this thing up and running again for my fiance, so that way she's nice and happy and rolling around in something she enjoys. All right, so with all that being said, I really do hope you guys all enjoyed this week's video. I hope you had an amazing Memorial Day weekend, and I really, really hope you guys have an amazing week. Yeah, so thank you all for tuning in. I really do hope you enjoyed it. We failed, whatever, small things, and we'll be back even better. So grab some merch, and I'll see you guys in the next video.